was supposed to show you. Is it cold?
It's not cold.
That's because we are in now.
Yeah, if you first want to enter, is it cold?
When you enter, it's cold.
Yeah, but you must enter straight.
Oh my god, let me drink my whiskey.
Cheers. Cheers.
I even forgot to buy.
What's up? Did you take the coconut oil?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I can leave it on my hair before I enter the pool. Put it on my hair.
They say you must put me.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Okay, yeah.
Because yesterday was your. Yo!
Don't
If I
worry.
touch
It's
here.
not far. You can take this side.
Where?
You can take this side.
Yeah, let me go this side.
Like this. Okay? This. Yeah. We are supposed to enter the water there. Yeah.
I'll come again. I'll just jump.
Okay. Yes.
Your phone, you want it?
It's ringing.
No.
There's no message there.
No.
Yeah, it's fine.
Should I put it there?
Yeah, please. You can actually walk from there, baby.
For where?
Inside.
The water.
Mm.
Oh, so that I don't fall.
Mm.
Okay. Oh, there's a step there.
Yeah, there's a step there.
Okay, let me talk to you. I put coconut oil.
You want your hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually they must put, what do you call it?
You're scared. Watch your leg then. I don't think
Yes,
it's this
warm.
one. Because it's yeah.
Yeah, from the top.
Yeah, I see. This one. Let me turn it like this.
Actually supposed to. Yeah.
I should bring
I
the.
was supposed to enter. Guys, I was supposed to enter so I went in the water. Yeah, enter.
What's
There's
up?
a step here.
Yeah, I told you. There's a step. You feeling cold?
Again, I didn't enter like you. Oh my god, you're the one who does it. We always enter first in the pool. If you're not careful.
Coconut oil is not bad. Yeah, this is nature. Oh, ping, ping, ping.
What's that?
I'm just saying, like,
What's that phone?
yeah.
Okay, should I try and see how deep is that?
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
Yeah, if you don't enter, you won't feel. Yeah. You see?
Yo.
No, it's not that.
Right, you know what? Actually, it's not that deep. This is like nice. Look how short I have, baby. You actually saw the iron. Are you standing on your own toes?
I'm what?
Taller. Taller.
I'm taller. I'm taller, boss. Since when?
I thought I'm the same size like you.
Since
This
when?
thing is too strong.
Yeah, it's too strong.
It's gonna take it right here. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. Now this chocolate mama.
So I can pee there.
Yeah, you can please gonna finish it. Okay, bro. If you clean the water, what happens? Some people are clean so that the chemical don't go inside your.
Exactly. Bladder.
Actually, ladies are more sensitive than men.
Oh, let me hold your legs.
You can float here. You can float here also. You can float on like that.
Yeah, you can float on yourself, but I don't try.
I want to try
What?
on your belly.
On my belly.
On your back.
On my back. Oh, I don't know what I can do. I was floating in that dam.
Oh. Yeah, you told me.
I didn't do anything. These people are like, hey, you like water? Like, this is natural water. There's no chemicals. That's why I like it. And that one is more cold. Oh.
Yeah, it's cool.
But after you're in,
You don't feel anything.
I want to float, but in place you must be on your face.
On your face, yeah. Must I bring your glasses?
Which glasses?
No, your
Shades.
yeah, shades.
What do you want?
If you want to.
It's very generous. Guys.
Where's that thing they put here? Yes. On the water.
We should have told these people that we came here because of the thing that's floating in the water. I think those girls, they did it for themselves.
Yeah, and
Then they
okay, they brought that thing by the bathroom.
No. Don't you feel like it's a trailer thing? A white one?
Nah.
I think they brought it. You know those girls, they're clever.
Yeah, they brought it just for pictures.
Then those people felt like, oh,
yeah.
Let's make it for marketing. It's gonna bring more people. They
Yeah.
thought the breakfast is there. Yeah, if you think you're gonna. How fun. Food we there. We see food though. Online though. Where's the food? I saw a basket full of breakfast. So we must buy.
It's
I know
far
my
to
people.
drive outside
My
to
people.
go and buy something.
I know my people will say.
Oh, what?
I'm
Where are
not
you gonna buy
sleeping
even something? Yeah. It's not like.
Why didn't they write self catering? Did they write it?
They didn't write.
Why did they do that? These people, you go anger will kill you.
There's no reception like what's it called? Like like Amastra. Amastra is better. You can call this, bring food for me, bring drinks for me. You see.
Should I make you feel how I, if I'm floating, how I feel? Have you touched me like you feel under, like this person is like just floating? Like now you can feel my weight like it's small.
Yeah.
But if I'm starting to float, you won't feel nothing. I should do it. It's not gonna damage my head, this proof.
I'm not sure.
It's gonna. Maybe
I didn't be.
on Sunday I can just put that thing.
I didn't be.
I can wash it off.
I didn't be.
Today I'll just wash it off in the bathroom. Let me just let it go.
Okay, you can wash it off.
Yeah, you must wash it off.
Okay, you have the shampoo. You bought the shampoo.
I didn't.
Ah, see.
Chemical. No, and it's gonna go into my eyes. That's the problem.
The one you put on your hair. You see? It's coming in.
And it's gonna come into my eyes. You know how painful it is. Like itchy.
No, it's not. It's not. It's water on your head. There's no water on your head.
Oh.
No water on your head. It's just here. So if you're putting your hand, it's gonna.
What do you think I was not supposed just to wash it for?
Yeah? You want to wash it? I think there's stuff.
It's so itchy. Get into your eye. I think that's what happened. It's gonna itchy. Oh, I should have bought that.
This thing. Help me.
The water was too big.
Serious? Yeah, I tried.
If we had that
It's coming from me.
If we had that pool, you must buy that rubber for people who swim.
Yeah. That one, like, it will cover your. Yeah, true. You think we should bring the speaker here?
Yeah.
Just play, maybe mix.
Even if it's not too loud.
Yeah.
You know, I heard these people talking to their phone.
Yeah. This one like that.
I just love it. What did they have been?
What are they doing?
But did you see a cow or not?
I can't see that.
It means if those people they stay here, some of them.
Maybe.
If there's no one in the weekend.
Well, the car, I think it's that side. Yeah. No, like it will be that side if you check how they build it. You understand? You can't see it from that side.
Oh, I thought it's gonna be here next to the.
No, it's that side like this.
Oh, but I do see a car.
Yeah. It's videoing.
Having a swim in a private villa. Oh my god, this is live. We're having a swim at a private villa.
Where's the volume?
There's no volume. We might get video. Because people hear they want peace. But when they give the speaker, these people, they have parties here. There.
Hmm?
That's why they brought the speaker, because people can have parties.
Yeah, that's what I'm yeah.
But not too much because of the animals. Is it something like that?
I don't think so.
But zebra are not friendly people. Friendly animals.
That's what they say.
Yeah. So if you see them, we must show a stone. Hey. If you stop the video and play it again, so that it cannot be too long. Stop the video and play it again.
Okay.